was going on at that time?
Yeah, so we were doing all the sort of digital marketing, and it wasn't not unsuccessful. It was fine, but you Google AdWords, and we did a little bit on Facebook and the likes. But the reality is, we didn't really have a marketing plan. We weren't working towards anything. We weren't really looking at our funnel. And one of the things is, we were lucky enough to be able to have a conversation with you guys, and you went away and sort of project out where we wanted to go to, and what we wanted to achieve. And part of that was creating new content. You helped us get in touch with some companies for video content. We had some ebooks. We recreated a lot more ebooks and everything to start filling up the funnel. And it probably took us a good 4 or 5 months to get everything ready. But once we got ready, it was great to see. And I think one of the big things was actually, I believed in what we were doing, and I believed in what you guys were telling us. And it was quite hard for the first 6 months, I must admit, because the numbers weren't quite there. Actually, because of that belief, I knew what we were doing was correct. And 12 months later, we've seen a marked increase in our leads as a result of that, and it's continued to grow. It hasn't. It's not that it's just whereas if I look at 12 months before, the lead increase, it was just totally driven on, if we increase the dollar spend, we can increase the leads a little bit. Whereas now what we're doing is, well, not say we're not increasing the dollar spend, but we're getting a lot more organically coming through, and brand awareness is exceptional, I'd say greatly improved, and that has really helped. And part of this, what I think a lot of people see about when talking about getting leads as well, is the quality of the leads we're getting are better leads. They're people which are familiar with the brand and have an understanding of who we are. So it actually makes the BDM's role easier on the conversion side.